How to delete Facebook account on Android or iOS. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, launch a phone or Facebook application on your device, and as you launch the Facebook application, make sure you are logged into your account. Here, select on the hamburger icon at the top left corner and scroll down to the options of settings and privacy. Tap on settings. As you tap on settings, you'll be able to see the different options over here. So all you need to do is tap on see more in account center. Now scroll down and tap on personal details. Here tap on account ownership and control. You get to see the option of deactivation or deletion. So let's select on it. And if you want to delete your Facebook account, simply tap on your preferred account and simply tap on delete account over here. Select continue, then tap on the option of continue again. And here you can simply give your reasons on why you want to delete it. So I'm going to select randomly and tap and continue. Tap and continue again. And as you do that, you can simply select all these options. So let's continue, and all you have to do is simply enter your password, verify yourself, and then select on continue, and you'll be able to delete your account on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.